This channel is actually making over $37,000 every 28 days, posting educational kids videos on their channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys two methods on how you can actually replicate this using your smartphone, which the second one will blow your mind. First thing, go over to your Google and search in ChatGPT. So when you open your ChatGPT, what you are going to do next is to make use of the link in my description or scan the QR code right here to be able to access the master prompt. This is the master prompt we are talking about right here. Remember, it's not for free. It's sold at 1,000 naira. So what you are going to do now is to go over to your ChatGPT and paste the master prompt. Then send. So ChatGPT will actually review the master prompts and do as we command. So what ChatGPT will do next is to ask us few questions. The first question is character type. Which character type do you want to? Is it cute lion cube, baby elephant, or whatever? Character style. Which character style do you want? The outfit design, the personality type, the environment type. So what you are going to do is to follow the example given to you there and choose the one that is preferable to you, which I'm going to do right now. So when you have replied that, next thing they will ask you is to choose the length of your video. So right here, for the example of this video, I'm going to be choosing 10 seconds, or let's say 30 seconds for this video. But for you that are trying to blow up in the internet, you should choose at least 5 minutes of the video. So when you have done that, what you are going to do next is to send that. So with everything I've provided to ChatGPT will be able to give us a viral title, which we are going to use the CEO description, the character profile and system, like everything we need. And then right here, they will show you the scene by scene prompt and the scene by scene things to create, which is the image prompt, the motion prompts, and the voiceover. So when you have gotten this ready, what you are going to do next is to move into the next platform. The next platform we are going to be using right here, which is the first method, is Google Flow. So what I'm going to do in Google Flow is to create a new project. So right here in a new project, I'm going to actually set this thing to image, set it at Nano Banana Pro, and then everything is set together. So after I've set that, what I'm going to do next is to now go back to ChatGPT to copy the image prompt to start creating them. Right here, I'm going to copy the image prompt right now and then go over to Flow to be able to send and then generate. So right here, if you notice, this is in short form. So if you want to also make it to be in landscape, you can actually select this to be in landscape and then also send the same prompt to it. And then it will generate it in landscape, which I'm going to actually do behind the scene. So I'm going to also go back to the ChatGPT to copy the second one, the third one, and so on and so forth. So guys, you guys see right here that I have actually generated all the image prompts needed or image file needed for this exact stuff. So what I'm going to do now is to actually convert this exact image to video. So to do that is also go over to your ChatGPT and then find the place that say image prompt or motion prompt. Actually copy it. But what I'm going to teach you right here is to actually copy them from A to Z. Copy it like this, from here to down to the voiceover. Copy it. And then you go back to this place to select the exact first one. Select it and then put it at animate. Then it will automatically set it to video. Then you can actually send. So we paste that, simply send it to your Google Flow to generate the video. So let's wait for it to be able to generate. So I will advise, when you are actually waiting for the first one to generate, you can actually do the one behind the scene for others. And wait for others also to generate also. So I'm going to just do that behind the scene. So guys, right here, you're going to see that this exact one I've generated. Let's play it.
And today, little Leo stepped into the biggest playground he had ever seen. And today...
So you can actually see that this is the way this exact one is being generated. What I'm going to do is to actually simply download them. And you can actually do this thing to other prompts or other image prompts and image motion that ChatGPT have generated for you. So this one also have been generated. I'm going to also hold and download on my phone. So when you have actually downloaded them, what you are going to do next is to go over to your CapCut to be able to edit them, which I'm going to do that in the end of the video. But if you're actually enjoying this video so far, don't hesitate to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That will drive us to our number 2 method in the list. I told you that this number 2 will be very, very easy to do, and it will take us 10 seconds or even more than 10 seconds or 15 seconds to make. Let me show you how to do that. What you are going to do is to simply go over to your ChatGPT and then come over here to copy this. So what I'm going to do right here is to come over here and copy from scene 1. Copy it from A to Z. So when you have actually copied them from A to Z, what you are going to do is to go over to your Google Flow and open a new tab. So when you open a new tab, what you are going to do is to actually tap on the 3 icon and set this in desktop. So right here, this our account will be in desktop. When you have actually set this in desktop, what you are going to do now is to actually zoom this up and then select agent. So this is agent right here. Observe this, that it is being set to your preferred method you want. So this is the preferred method I want. This is everything is in that. Put this in 1 of 1 and then you click on done or save. So when that is saved, come over here and actually paste the prompt or the exact stuff you have actually copied and then you send. So when you send that right here, this is the question the Google Flow will ask us. So right here in the screen, they will ask you, would you like to kick off with 5 video generation? And that will cost us 750 credits. So I got to click on yes, I would like to continue. So when you select continue, immediately Google Flow will analyze everything in details and start generating those videos immediately for us in order. And this will be the best way on how it will be done. So let's wait for the result for you to see what I'm talking about. So boom guys, you are going to see that all the video have been generated for us from the beginning to the end without even touching anything. So if I actually tap on it right there, this is what Gemini have actually generated.
Little Leo stepped into the biggest playground he had ever seen.
So this is it right here, and this is the way other ones looks like. Well, what I'm going to do now is actually download them to my phone, then we can go over to the CapCut. So right now I've actually downloaded everything. Now let me go over to CapCut. So right here in CapCut, I'm going to actually go over to import those videos. So I have imported them. I had to arrange them in order. So guys, you're going to see that I've actually imported them together, which I'm going to actually show you in the ending of the video the results. But if you actually need this as at master prompt, check out the link in my description. This is the way it will actually look like in the screen. Simply tap on buy right now. This exact prompt is sold at 1,000 and it might increase in the future at 5,000 because right now I'm giving a discount for people that want to rush in and start creating this type of videos. Go now and download it using this exact link in my description or the QR code right here to actually get it. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.
And that day, Leo learned that the playground was just the beginning of his adventures. And today, little Leo stepped into the biggest playground he had ever seen. He saw something strange, swinging back and forth, calling his name.
And suddenly, Leo was flying higher than he ever imagined.
But Leo didn't know. The swing had big plans for him.